Hi, hello and namaskaram. So welcome to another video of Fine Dining Indian. Here, myself Bobby Geetha will be dedicating each video to one chef. So this time we're picking up one of the most famous Indian chef. He's a face of Indian cuisine. So he changed Indian cuisine from back end to the mainstream. He brought it back from the household to international arena. So everyone started watching Indian cookery show after this chef is on the screen. So there is myths and there is stories goes around saying how he ended up into the show. It was an accident, but it doesn't matter how he came up. Now he is the man who made the history. So it's none other than the Padma Shri awardee Chef Sanjeev Kapoor. So he started his career as a student from the hotel management, a diploma. He born and brought up in Ambala. It's a region from Haryana. Around I think the age of 20 years. So he went into the hotel industry. He climbed up the ranks and all the hardships what a kitchen chef will go through, and he became the chef of Sandor. Sandor is one of the biggest five-star property in Mumbai at that time, and one of the youngest chef to be in that stage. And through the TV channels and the shows, he became household name, and he has so many brand products. He's associated with so many Indian food products, so many advertisements. You will see him every day, and I think it's one of the longest serving or longest showing cooking shows. 18 years running a TV show. It's called Khana Khazana. Everyone knows it. Even in my childhood I used to watch that, and I can say I became a chef watching that show, because I got the inspiration. Oh, he can be so glamorous. It's so rewarding, and then you feel very happy to cook for yourself and cook for your guests. It's amazing. And he has almost 69 outlets. It's still growing. It's more than that in almost 9 countries. It's amazing. See, he has signature brand. He got Hello Chilies. There are several brands under his name, and he collaborated with Mr. Vishal Sikka to come up with household products under his own name, and numerous cookbooks. I can't even name how many. You go to any cookbook store, you will see his name. It's so famous. You just Google it around Indian chef or into any Indian food name, it's under his name. And 2011 he started a cooking channel. Yeah, it is it's amazing. A 24-hour cooking channel. Can you imagine? It's happening in India, and it's only one chef in the world who has a cooking channel. Now I think we can say he's a multi-millionaire for sure. And how he became, and it's so encouraging for any chefs like you and me, or who is coming up, who want to be in this industry. It's so rewarding, but remember, it's not easy always. It's so much hard work, so much sweat, so much criticism, and every time you will feel like, am I fit to do this job? Am I good enough? So many people, and you are judged by people who doesn't know how to cook. What is the difference between onion and tomatoes? That's a funny part of the world. Everyone is a chef, or everyone is a cook. Your managers can tell you, okay, this is not correct, but can they cook equally good? Can they stand in the stove for 12 hours? No, it's hard work. So Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, it's there because of his hard work. So it's never easy. It's not an easy job. So be prepared for that. Being a celebrity chef, being a face in the TV, so many cookbooks. It's burning your midnight oil. Waking up the whole night. Not to be with the family. You travel the world, but you sacrificing your happiness to someone else. But end of the day, it's so rewarding because all your hard work you put in is paying back. So remember how Chef Sanjeev Kapoor achieved this stage. Watch his life journey and what he is good doing for other junior chefs. He supported He supported many people through MasterChef, and he was a judge for one of the biggest franchises in the world. It's a MasterChef series. It's in every country, and he promotes so many chefs, and he has a big brand, a big team behind him. He mentored so many chefs, to name a few, maybe Chef Ranveer Brar, Kunal Kapoor, Vikas Khanna. Everyone is associated with Chef Sanjeev Kapoor, and he's so down to earth person. I never met him. I love to meet him one day. Maybe cook for him, eat from his hand, and I can feel him from my hand. It'll be amazing. So these are the visions. Work hard, put your work. Don't get ego spoil you. You think, okay, you get some media publicity, some followers in Instagram or YouTube channel. You think, okay, you can dictate something. No, keep your head down. Keep your head down. Keep your head down. Be humble. Work. Put in the hard work. Rest, everything will come to you. So learn. Subscribe to Chef Sanjeev Kapoor channel. Learn his amazing videos. How we cook it. It's simple. The best success is not to make it complicated. Make it simple, and people can follow. So he is, bringing that flag high, Indian flag, and he cooked for Barack Obama. He cooked for Mr. Modi, Narendra Modi, our current PM. He cooked for almost all the PMs. He's always invited for state visits. Why? Because his name is there. He is representing Indian cuisine. So do watch, do learn from Chef Sanjeev Kapoor journey if you want to be a chef. Thank you so much, and watch our other videos. We'll be coming up with another chef. So my recommendation for his top 5 videos in YouTube is below. You can watch it, and the links are always there. So thank you. Subscribe to Fine Dining Indian and click the bell icon to watch the next video. Thank you so much.